Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Come Down. The song is Come Down, the artist is Anderson Parker featuring T.I., and the choreography is MAURIO LAMPKIN. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And here we go.
Got me hot.
They tell us pipe down, the trick on the night brown. See, they wanna make it black white, so we get the action with a black light. It looks like a hat right.
And there you go, guys. That is Come Down. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Get me hot.